What's good, YouTube? It's Mick from mfautography, back once again with another POV video of a car meet. As you can see, I've got my GoPro on there. I've got my trusty Canon EOS RP with a 35mm. It's also got the K&F Concepts CPL on there. Today, I'm on my way to Northgate once again for the all Japanese Cars and Coffee down at Kitchen 8. Should be a great morning. Let's head on down there and see what awesome JDM rides we've got in store for the September edition. All right, we'll see you there. Peace. that's another all Japanese cars and coffee done for September. Here we go. Another one coming late to the party. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We want to push it as far as and wide as we can, show people from around the world what the Australian scene looks like. And on that note, I'm out of here. Thanks for coming. Peace.